What's up, guys? It's Eric with Cali Rebuilds with the 2016 Dodge Hellcat, originally purchased from Copart up in Martinez, California. So car was originally a AAA insurance stolen vehicle. So what they did is they broke this glass, got into the car, I'm assuming, popped the bottom cover down. See, I popped it a little back, but it's broken. Broke the mirrors as well, but it's not that bad. Let's pop the hood. Let's take a look what we got under the hood. So off the bat, I see an aftermarket air intake, AFE power. I looked it up. It's about 14 to 1600 bucks. Looks pretty clean. Some loose wires for the modified headlights. As you can see, they put the switch inside. It's not bad, not bad. Right here's the switch. There's some loose wires there. The two broken mirrors. Just glass everywhere. Originally, when we got the car, there was a bunch of soil in it. Smells like heavy marijuana as well. And let's go to the back. So I just changed the battery. Right now it's disconnected. It has the Starlight connection from this box. We'll probably reconnect that later. A lot of loose wires, little dirty. Got some damage right here, not too bad. Let's take a look at the back seats. So just very minimal glass. Wow, that car's hella dirty. It's gonna get a nice wash after we fix it, that's for sure. Oh, what is this? It's probably a pellet gun. LAX tickets. They broke the mirrors. I had to cut it so we don't damage it. So the front bumper has some damage right here, as you can tell. Some right there. This piece is missing, which we just ordered, and some damage here. I'm kind of debating. I might change the headlights to the original ones. They are original, it's just they've been lightly modified, as you can tell. But other than that, we got the two mirrors inside the back glass. So here is the issue we've been having. We got a key made, a temporary key. Let me show you. So yeah, it's not a SRT key, it's just a regular Dodge key. So the car started originally, and we've been trying again. Wouldn't start. Now we're gonna connect the battery, the positive back in this. And we did find 2 rolls of dimes worth about $5 each, so 10 bucks total. Yeah, this charger's mine. It didn't come with the car, but the rest of the junk, like you see, a nice Xbox controller. I don't even play games, but let's try to see if he'll start. My assumption is the starter is bad on the vehicle, but let's take a look. The car is not starting again. I literally just started and drove it not even 10 minutes ago. One of the axles in the back is not good. We'll change that tomorrow. But for some odd reason, this car does not want to start. I'm assuming it's either electrical issue or the starter has gone bad, because this car was giving us some issues yesterday too, trying to start it. The key guy came back. He probably thought, maybe it's something to do with his work, but this looks like a GPS or something like that. There we go. Won't start. We try everything. Oops, I got a couple keys in my pocket. And we're trying again. It is not working. So, screen turns on, but it keeps bringing up the 911 option for some reason. Let's take a look. So I'm not not too used to these cars. I usually deal with a lot of German vehicles, exotic vehicles, but yeah, we've dealt with our fair share of, you know, these Dodge Hellcats. This car's so good. Yeah, for some reason, can't get it on. The battery's good. I don't know why it doesn't want to turn on, which is very strange. But yeah, as you can see, 12.2. Changed the battery yesterday pretty much. Nope. It's just getting into accessory mode. And as you can see, this is how they stole the car. Here's the mirrors. They broke them. This car has so much junk. There's even soil in the cup holders. A bunch of beads and stuff like that. There's nothing there. There's nothing there. But overall, the car's in pretty good condition. This thing won't pop open. Just the fact is, it won't start. But yeah, we'll get it done. It did start several times. We just drove it around the block. Yes, the axle's bad. Hopefully not the differential, but hey, you know what? This is current, but we'll take care of this damage at the end. Our main concern is fully get the car running with no issues, because it's running, it starts, but now it doesn't want to start. The other night it didn't want to start, but we're gonna go ahead, get the mirrors replaced, paint it tomorrow, the covers, put the back glass on, wash up the car, get that piece going, maybe replace the bumper or fix it, depending. It's pretty beat up. As you can see, it's the headlights popped out. But other than that, it's not a bad car. I pretty much, you know, prayed it would start, and it did. Here's the rolls of nickels we found. Oh, dimes, 5.5. So after we fully get the car running, prepped up, it will be available for sale, and at the end we'll do a price breakdown. So we're fully back, guys. Just follow, subscribe, like this video. Let me know what's the next car you want us to buy, because we're going full force and we're going to be continue putting more videos out. So take care, guys, and enjoy the videos.